Alright guys, AJ here from Unbounded Pursuit, and here is video for the final video in the onX Hunt app series. In this one we're just gonna, I know in the first one we talked about why I kind of use onX and my experience with it. Video 2 was more about downloading and saving maps. Video 3 was just kind of a quick little easy how to change the color. In this video we're going to talk about more just how to be more descriptive in how you use your waypoints. Describing what they are, whether they're an ATV, an animal you saw, a sign you saw, where your game camera is, where your blind is, different colors you could use, notes, photos, kind of things I've talked about in 3 previous videos. But we're going to pull out the app, we're going to sit down, I'm going to open a waypoint I have and go through the process that I'm going to be going through more now that the hunting season's kind of coming to an end. I've got waypoints everywhere. I need to kind of harness them, get rid of some, be a little more precise, a little more efficient to help me going into this scouting season and help me learn more about this area that I know I'm going to be learning about forever, but the animals, the area that I live in, and just helping me to be more successful as the years go on, and to also help and give people more information so that they can do the same. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe, please leave comments, share these videos if you feel like they can benefit other people. That's what we're all about, is we want to learn, we want to grow, and then we want to share that information to help others learn and grow as well, so that they can continue the process, they can share it to others who then learn and grow, who then want to share it with others, and kind of just build this community of learning, growing, and sharing. So let's jump into the app and let's look at how to alter a waypoint. Alright guys, so we're going to open it up here. We're going to click on the app, and as you can tell, we got a couple waypoints here. And what I want to first do is just click on a random one, and as you can see, it only says waypoint. And if you've seen video 1, 2, or 3, then you know to click on these 3 dots to view or edit your waypoint. If you haven't checked out those 3, don't worry, they're going to be linked, and so that you can learn a little bit about what I talked about earlier. But you're going to click view and edit, and it's going to bring up, you know, the coordinates, the name of the waypoint. So here we can click on it, we can press the X, and let's just call it State Land, so that we know exactly what it is. We're going to click done. Alright, so we got the coordinates. Oh, let's add a photo. Yep, let's take one. Boom. Alright, we're going to use that photo. So now we're going to add that photo in there. And then we're going to go down and we're going to click notes. Okay, I saw a pile of elk. So now I know this one, it's State Land. The picture we're going to pretend was a picture of an elk track or elk scat. Going to hit done. And then you can see it says type right here. And since this is more about elk, you know, we can do bike, blind, blood, buck, cabin. Would say I saw a cow elk. And if you look, that waypoint just now turned to the icon of the cow elk. We can make it a different color, like, ooh, blue to me means, I don't know, let's go. All the rest are red, so let's go dark red. This place is hot. It's got a lot of elk sign. Priority number 1, I want to check out that spot. And then I can share it if I want, and then when I'm done, boom, I can hit save. And that's how you alter a waypoint. You can add more notes, you can add more pictures, you can be more descriptive in the title that you give it. But either way, do what works best for you to give you the information that you need. But either way, do the things that you feel like are going to be the most beneficial and descriptive for you. You're the one hunting, you're the one looking at the app. Do the things that you feel are going to best help you to be more efficient and to be more successful in scouting, in checking cams, in hunting, in exploring new areas, and just have fun with it. Mess around with the app. The guys at onX, especially, I've been talking a lot with Jared. He and the team there are trying to do so many things to help us as hunters explore and be able to access public lands, and that's what it's all about. Keeping public lands in public hands, so that we can get out there and do the things that we love the most and the things that we enjoy, and pursue wild game, to spend time with our families, our friends, our loved ones, and to pursue the animals and fill our freezers. So they're doing all those things to help with that. So go over, get yourself a membership if you don't yet. If you do, play with it, have fun with the app. But like I said, we're all about learning, growing, sharing. So if you can share this video with other people that might, this video or the series, to let other people learn about the app, how to use the app, and how to be more descriptive in what they're doing so that they can up their game, that would be awesome, and we would really, really appreciate that.